Hey, hey, hey. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Let's start with some cards and see what pops up. Take time to grow. Like plants that take their time to grow, give yourself the grace to progress at your own pace. There's no rush in your personal development. Unfurl with confidence. Just as leaves unfurl to reach their full size, allow yourself to open up to new possibilities with confidence. Trust in your abilities. Seek balance. Ika will tender garden. A healthy garden requires balance. Assess the balance in your life today between work, rest, and play. Adjust as needed to find harmony. Mycelium, interdependence and support for life. What could fungus do for you? Reassesses. You're being asked to take stock of your life and let go of anything or anyone that no longer makes you happy. Notice who or what brings you joy and who and what doesn't. It's time for some life cleanup. Number 13. Every cycle is a higher opportunity. #21. Polish your mirror for perfect clarity. More. You are infinity being defined through the impact of your creative spirit in motion. Number 15. With my thoughts, I co-create with the universe. What are your thoughts creating? And number 34. I deserve to receive and give love. Number 50. Truth. What are the truths you're going to share? What truths are going to be exposed to you? Adventure. Number 4. What kind of adventure do you want to go on? And our last cards for today. Cultivating courage. In any given moment, I always know exactly what to do. Awakening inspired action. There is only what life is asking of me. Alrighty. Let's do this one today. Perspective 155. The negative emotion is there to tell you that whatever you're thinking about, whatever is happening, is not how your soul sees it. Don't listen to others. Learn to listen to your body because it'll never lie to you. Your mind will confuse you, but your instinct and intuition will always lead to clarity. Remember to protect your energy, speak life into your world, use gratitude as a magnet, forgive and release, stay present, and let go of what you cannot control. Never own a disease. Reduce the amount of time that you talk about being ill. Refuse to allow illness a place in your consciousness. And the last one today. I'm here to remind you that we only have one lifetime on this earth. It zooms by and it's over before you know it. So don't waste a precious second living in a mediocrity. Go after what gives you goosebumps. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.